Alright, chapter 500, marking on engineering drawings. And this is, so, this is the Department of Defense Standard Practices for Engineering Drawing, Mill Standard 100G, 1997, the G approved for public release distribution unlimited. And then we'll go to 49, I believe it is. No, I think it's 59. Alright, Chapter 500, Markings on Engineering Drawings. General. This chapter ASME 14104, 14100M, establishes requirements, application, marking of the engineering drawing associated with the marks, and even in support of the addition with the graphic text to convey with the information with the valve of the drawing list and of the items depicted thereon. The example of the chapter standardization, marking, nomenclature, control of the graphic symbology indicate minimum requirements of the management data that is current with the mandatory drawing associated list maintenance application of the government design and procuring activity. Symbology, Table 1, ASME Y14100M, special notes. Hardness critical note. The following note should be either the nuclear hardness critical item of the list if it is an enter the word drawing part list if it is appropriate to pick for the hardness critical item of the HEI and hardness critical process all change with the pre-proposed substitution of the hardness control hardness critical incident hardness critical process shall be evaluated by the entire engineering activity responsible for the nuclear survivability. 503 ozone depicting chemical note. The following note should be using ozone depicting depleting chemicals C65 delineated on the drawing. This enter for the drawing part list is appropriate with the depicts the class 1 ozone depleting chemical ODC. 504 security changing classification notation. Security classification notation shall be in accordance with Appendix A. The rights of the legend of the drawing with the priority restrictions such as limited rights, government personal license rights shall be marked on applicable drawing sheets with the appropriately approved legend with the specified with the applicable support with the Defense Logistics Acquisition Regulation Support Supplement. Alright, care should be taken that to ensure the legend is the delineated field of the drawing within the margins on the drawing that reproduce the segments of legend should be appear with each for the microfilm segment. The drawing in the book form need only delineate the legend of the title sheet. Distribution statement. The distribution statement associated with the export control notice within accordance with the Department of Defense Directive 5230-24. The distribution statement shall be specified with the government design and procuring activity. Activity. Are your acronyms, special items, CSI critical safety item, CSP critical safety process, ENI environmental impact, ESD electrostatic discharge sensitive device, ESS environmental stress screening hazard condition process material, HCI hazardous critical item, HCS hardness critical process, IR interchangeable repairability, IN interface control, OC, observable critical item, the OCP, observable critical process, ozone depleting chemical, and ODS, ozone depleting substance. Alright, Appendix A, security classification markings and notations.